Looks like everyone's rolling in. We're heading into Orchards, Cars, and Coffee. I believe it's a canned food drive today. I'm a little behind on that information, so we'll get that from Dave here in a second. I don't know what car that is, but that's sick.
But you know, a couple minutes.
Good morning. This is Orchards,
Hey,
Cars, and Coffee.
It's a nice day. So
looks like we're doing a food donation. My truck is dirty as shit, but let's go talk to Dave and see what's going on here. Ready, Dave?
Yes, sir.
What do we got going on today?
So today is a massive collaboration meet with a whole bunch of clubs. We've already got clubs up from Salem, and we are doing a food drive donation for the Clark County Food Bank, which will distribute to a whole bunch of needy families throughout the whole area because of a lot of the government stuff. And people are just in need of some help and a good helping hand, man.
Perfect.
We've got some good donations going already. So it's a one-off body kit setup. The guy
Let's,
is from
take a quick
English
trip around
Cruisin,
here
if I remember
before
correctly.
we have to move.
It's a rear engine something. I don't know what he's got in it.
And the food donations are coming in. We just got done talking to Dave about the information of the actual event, so let's see what we get.
Let me see if I can find him. Usually when yellow bed.
Looks like that's the man of the hour right over there. We'll go take a look here in a second. Hellcat SRT. It's an El Camino SS. Oh, what do we got here? That's cool as shit. What is it?
An ice bear.
Ice bear?
Yeah. Everybody thinks it's a Ruckus because the way it's built, it's like a Ruckus clone, but Ruckus doesn't make a three-wheeler.
Gotcha.
Well, it should. But I got an 80-year-old mom who loves riding it. Her helmet on. We live by a minute mark. She just gets on it. I'm going to go get a soda, get the white one out. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, for sure. How fast does it go?
About speed 45.
About what?
45.
45?
And that's not doing anything. I just stop.
Right.
You get some people that go, oh, dude, you got to do a big bore kit, and you got to put nitrous on it. And I'm like, nah.
Yeah.
Stock's fine with me until I have to do something.
Right. I bet it's fun, though.
Oh, it's a blast. And I've never seen another one. I was in downtown Seattle driving around for my niece's wedding.
Yeah.
And I hear this beep, beep, beep. And I look over, and the guy has a red one. And he's like, dude, I've never seen anybody else on one or even heard about anybody else having one.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I've never seen another one on there. So yeah. When I seen it, I'm like, I made the offer, and the lady said, hell no. I'm like, okay, well, you got my number. 10 days later, he's like, you know what? Where do you live? I'm like, Vancouver, Washington. She's like, I live in Malino, Oregon.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, jeez. You're about 2.5 hours away.
I'll be right there.
Yep. But yeah. I'm like,
that's cool.
Angry ex-wife. You gotta love them.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'd totally rock that. Everyone's starting to roll in. We're gonna go look at this blue beast. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but let's get some.
Oh, okay. Hot damn. Come on, buddy.
Sean, look it.
That is short of exhaust.
Yeah, this is.
When it came in, it wasn't that loud. Really? No. That's surprising.
That's awesome.
This is super sick.
You'd think with a foot and a half long exhaust on a LS like that, it would be loud. Vibrant doesn't take good muffler. It's got a
Yeah. It's a Lambo.
Gotta be. It is. Oh, okay. Yeah.
What kind of car is it?
He does like this with it.
We watched it pull in. I didn't think they took it. I think it's based off of
He keeps it in.
what it reminds me of.
Oh, yeah, you got
I mean, I follow him on Instagram, but I don't remember what kind of car it is. If you know what it is, please let me know, because I'm lost. Yep, that's pretty cool though. See what else we can see. New Corvette, Mustang 5.0. Some of the lowriders, mini trucks. Looks like the Dodge Club is here. Chevelle. I believe that's a Chevelle. But that's a nasty motor. Orchard's Cars and Coffee is popping off today. I've really come a long way in identifying different cars.
It's pretty big turnout.
Yeah, it's one of the last nice days.
Yeah. Headed your way.
I just directed 2 cars.
Got one of my buddies. He's in that. What's up, bud? How you doing?
All that well. How are you?
Good.
It's good to see you.
Is this one yours?
Yeah. All you gotta do is stack
The JK's
put this on the other day.
so maybe I could put a rack, stack them in the driveway.
I've been seeing you posting a lot on TikTok.
Of course. That's the only place to put
The
it.
neighbor's already asking me this on the street. He lives there.
How you been?
Good.
That's like this in the street.
Growing. I think we're gonna do a beach run soon.
Let me know. Let me know. I'm always down. Yeah. You come with too. We got a bunch of them. More the merrier.
Yeah, I need to I still need to fix a couple things, but I can actually put the drive line back in.
Oh, there you go. What'd you do to your drive lines?
Oh, it hasn't been in 3 years. The front one?
Oh, your front one, that's right. That hadn't been in, that's right. I remember that.
It's in the back seat though.
Is it?
Yep.
Let's jack that baby up and get up underneath it.
Yeah, we need that.
It sounds good.
You know,
Sounds like
anywhere I can put bushings in?
That sounds like.
Like, who will do it?
Or my day, what we used to do was take a fucking
I'd say go to Berglund, but man,
put it in your spokes.
it's gonna be a- that's why I'm buying my own parts and redoing my stuff.
Yeah, I need to do, I think, the steering box.
Yeah, I'm doing my tie rod, ball joints, drag wing.
Are we allowed to come or are we allowed to out there?
You're an outcast.
I am, but she doesn't like
Her last name is Wish I Could Drive.
Okay, I wanted to drive once in the entire time we've met. And now it's just the face of my what's going on here?
She's going ham on it.
So yeah, I'll get a hold of you.
Yeah, get a hold of me. Get a hold
We'll
of me. We'll do something.
I don't mind.
we'll do videos.
Yeah, why not? I'm good at videos. Funny yourself.
Yes, you are.
There was a day.
We'll both agree on that.
Last time I got whacked into that. Remember that?
I have it on video.
Stupid ex-girlfriend.
Yeah, I have that on video if you want to see it. I'll let you know. I'll get a hold of you.
She had this time, right? The bendable part that goes across. When she was bending it, let go, and spat! Oh, right on the bones. Right.
I don't know. What is that? That's M2 and M3. M2. One of the guys at work has one of these. That's super sick. Jose's got a blue one of these at work. Yeah. I've always wanted a BMW. I've seen a lot of these M2s lately. That's got carbon fiber everything. Carbon fiber everything. The canards. Yep. I'll post it up. Dirty as shit. Ooh. Audi R8. That's clean as shit.
Alright, sounds good. No, it's not supercharged. Alright, fine. No, that's just stock. That's how it is. Yes. But I'd love to get a supercharger. That'd be sick. It has a lot of breathing room. This thing has a lot of intakes on the front, on the side, underneath. It's spooled to get some air as well. So
That's super clean.
thank you. Yeah, I didn't clean it before I came out at all. I drive it a lot, so I didn't clean her up or anything too much. But thank you. I love it.
Size V8 is it?
What? I think it's a. Oh, I'm not sure. So yeah, I never speak in absolute certainty. pretty 99% sure it's a 4.4. I don't think it's a 4.7. I believe so. I'm pretty sure it's. I put my money on 4.2.
You should see right there.
Should see it right here. You know, you would think, but it does not.
No?
No. I've had her for maybe 4 months now. What? It was right at 7. It's a 2012.
And I'm setting up the camera for a time lapse of Orchards Cars and Coffee here at the Vancouver Mall. It was a madhouse today, so we're just gonna let it run for a second and cut back into the festivities of the day. If anyone has any information on this car, please let me know down in the comments below. I kind of want one of these. It's a good one.
Yes, sir. That donation pile is massive.
I got some clips of it.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a good one today. Good vibe too.
How many do you think are here?
Right now we're probably close to between 500 and 600.
500 and 600?
Yeah, right between 500 and 600. If we fill this side, it's 4.25, and that's another 475 up here. So we'll probably push 800 rotating.
How many did you average down below?
About the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did you move up here?
They had some potholes down there that were a safety issue.
Oh.
Yeah. We didn't need
That's sick. Yep. And that is Orchards Cars and Coffee. It's time to go shopping with the kids here at the mall. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. It's been a great day. Thank you. Oh, there's the McLarens. They're right behind us.